This photograph of my iMac screen of the Zip Corvette website was taken on June 2nd, 2022. It shows an advertisement for their 1973 to 1979 Corvette Headlamp Vacuum Overhaul Kit. I labeled it Bait and Switch. This advertisement has been up there since at least March 2019. That's over 3 years. This label is from a 1973 to 1979 Zip Headlamp Vacuum Hose Kit. I numbered the hoses in red, and there are only 15 hoses. You could stop this video and count them yourself. You probably heard this proverb: if it looks too good to be true, it probably isn't. Take another look at this false bait and switch advertisement. I enlarged the photo of the hoses to see them better. I numbered the hoses in red, and there are 26 hoses in this photo. You can stop the video and count them yourself. If there are only 15 hoses in the Headlamp Vacuum Hose Kit, what are the extra 11 hoses used for? This is very misleading and grossly exaggerates the number of hoses. See the small yellow striped hose at the bottom? That's not used in any 73 to 9 Corvette Headlamp Vacuum Hose Kit. Additional dishonesty is shown by these red arrows, illustrating the two large hoses with short ends formed at 90 degrees. There are no formed or molded hoses used in any 1973 to 79 Corvette Headlamp Hose Kit, and that includes Zip's offering. This is a blatantly false and deceptive bait and switch advertisement that Zip is using to sell this product. Another version of the same bait and switch false advertisement run by Zip.